News, events, sports. Same time, same place, right in the heart of Isla Vista. UCSB TV is serving UC Santa Barbara and the surrounding community with real journalism.
Good evening and welcome back to UCSB TV, the university's only broadcast news station bringing you all the sports, news, and events you need to know in and around Santa Barbara. I'm Zuri Wilson.
And I'm Francesca D'Agata. Here are our top stories tonight. Looking internationally, an explosive drone struck the border between Jordan and Syria on January 28th, killing 3 United States service members and injuring over 40.
According to a Pentagon preliminary report, U.S. forces may have mistaken the enemy drone for one of their own, accidentally letting it pass unchallenged into a U.S. military base in Jordan. According to Pentagon spokeswoman Sabrina Singh, failure to shoot down the drone was attributed to quote-unquote human error.
Pentagon is reporting that more than 40 troops were wounded in the attack, with troops sustaining injuries ranging from cuts and bruises to serious head and brain injuries. 8 service people were evacuated from the region.
Iran denies any responsibility of involvement and claims militia groups are the one to blame. President Biden has made it clear that he blames Iranian-backed groups that have been harassing U.S. troops in Iraq, Syria, and Jordan for months. The proxy groups, including Yemen's Houthi rebels and Iraq-based group Hezbollah, have claimed their actions are in response to the Israeli-Palestine conflict.
The January 28th attacks adds another complex layer to the tension in the Middle East. As the Biden administration is working on keeping the ongoing war in Gaza from expanding, the U.S. recently began working on a peace resolution with Iraq, hoping to withdraw troops from the region that could be affected by this development. Biden made a statement on Sunday addressing the strike, promising to hold all those responsible. Military analysts are expecting the United States to retaliate directly.
In local news, if you've recently walked down Embarcadero Del Mar, you may have noticed a new change on the block, a for sale sign occupying an IB staple, Rosarito's restaurant.
That's right, the local favorite amongst Gauchos is closing its doors permanently.
Rosarito's was the late-night munchie spot amongst the party residents of Isla Vista. Many students took to their Reddit to express their condolences and mourn the loss of another IB restaurant.
Both current Gauchos and alumni shared how sad they were to see it go, with users reminiscing over the restaurant's well-known breakfast burritos and salsa.
I am sad to see another IB food chain leave us. I was so heartbroken after Pizza My Heart closed last year in August.
It'll be interesting to see who takes Rosarito's place on 966 Embarcadero Del Mar. But in the meantime, Isla Vista residents can be excited for a new restaurant coming soon. Giovannis Pizza IV is planning their opening. Their Instagram account reads, "Best Pizza in Isla Vista, opening soon." Well, that's all we have for you tonight. We will see you next week with all the sports, news, and events here in the heart of Isla Vista. I'm Francesca D'Agata.
And I'm Zuri Wilson. You're watching UCSB TV.